At ito na nga, Redeem Team 2.0 versus FIBA World Cup champs Germany. Joel Embiid cross-court pass to LeBron James. Sumabay ka pa. Umapir pa kay Steph. Dennis Schroeder to Daniel Theis to Andreas Obst for the 3. At ito naman, Dennis Schroeder nag-ala Steph Curry with a bang. Dennis Schroeder nag-point guard pass kay Franz Wagner. LeBron James pinasa kay Drew Holiday with a 3. Drew Holiday jumping pass to Embiid, binalik sa kanya with a back-to-back naman. Bam Adebayo bumabayo na with a diving skyhook with a foul. End of quarter, 29-19 USA. Germany nag-pass break na. Mo Wagner with a dunk. At ito naman, kapatid niya, Franz Wagner, nagbuhaya over Joel Embiid with a smooth layup. 36-42. Shooter nilang si Andreas Obst, nag-iinit na. Joel Embiid on defense, nag-ala ang Mutombo pa. But with there's more, Anthony Edwards with the dunk. The first half, 48-41. LeBron James, point guard pass to Stephen Curry, walang gusto bumantay. Germany gusto humabol. Franz Wagner with a step back 3 with a bang. 52-50, Germany nakakahabol na. Lolo Bron na butata pa. Pass break ng Germany. Franz Wagner to Daniel Theis for the lead. Lamang na ulit ang USA. Andreas Obst nag-alak baseball pa. Mo Wagner with a smooth layup. End of quarter, 68-71 Germany. At 7 minutes na lang, Germany nag-take over. Mo Wagner with a putback dunk. Pero syempre, Steph Curry, papaiwan ba with a silky layup. Devin Booker nag-ala chamba layup with a foul. Under 6 minutes lang mga USA by 3. Dennis Schroeder kick out pass to Obst for the 3. 82-81 mga Germany. LeBron James gusto mag-take over. Tumakbo sa kabila with a steal. With less than 4 minutes to go, LeBron James tatlo sumabay. Nakalabaw na. Germany gusto po humabol. Dennis Schroeder pidaan to Daniel Theis. Less than 1 minute, Team USA kapit ni LeBron pumosti to Schroeder with a dagger shot. LeBron James nagpe-flex pa ng muscles. Germany gusto pa humabol but it's too late na. Final score of the game.
I wanna fly, can you take